Ike, a vote of no confidence has finally failed. Jackson has played his part. He has decided to go to the people as soon as he heard Uguti there is going to be a vote of no confidence, and then he called all the councillors that he has run favors to before and tell them that remember when you go and vote against me, you must remember all the shenanigans that I know about you. You must also remember everything that I've done for you. So nje isandla esikufitayo, don't forget about it when you're going to vote against me. And Sakila was actually very sure that he was going to win the vote of no confidence because he has called some of the councillors, sat down with them, and they all agreed, Guti, what Justin is doing somehow needs to be reprimanded. Somehow somebody needs to call him to order, and aphume esihlalweni. That way maseka aphumile esihlalweni, then he would see okay, how important is this sihlalo, and then how will he respect it, because as it is, he does not respect abahlali, he does not respect anyone, but he is self-feeding and he's got too much pride at that. So Sakila was just trying to find out if he could do something that is going to benefit the community however he felt, and he was very boastful about it, Jackson, while telling Umatha Ukuthi, you know what, I called all the councillors so that so that it can be visible ukuthi who is who in the jungle. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing I almost said scandal, smoke and mirrors. Sanbanan, Abshin, Mulwen, Minjani, Hipokila Hingongwina. So Namutlakana Nogoa Hina was smoke and mirrors. Hikumakurashula as Tamsekangi Kahle, looking at the fact that Utim no tiny. It's like something is gonna go on. And I think Utini will be taking advantage of Utim. Utim is currently going through Agagowi Uyandiza. Uyaperisha umtase. And now kuthiwa bambikile lapha enkosini ukuthi yena he must come and account, and at some point he was saying that no, mina I did not do anything wrong. All I did was ukubona umuntu afuna ukutshontsha and then ngashaya impempe. So then now the community came up, and then now the person that gets reported now is me. What have I done wrong? I did not do anything wrong, but then the person that has to account and face all the consequences, it still has to be me. At that, he has given himself to alcohol so much so that akasazazi nokuthi ubani. Previously, ufase intombi, thatha intombi wahamba naye ehotela, mafika ehotela, he couldn't even do anything athi ngicela uyivuse, because he couldn't do anything, he was so intoxicated. Now, after that, Tiny came to the rescue. Ati, you know what? I'm going to take you home just to make sure ukuthi uba right, uba clean, and then uyageza. With that said, when she got there, and then she was telling lapha salon aboliroy ukuthi no ngayicleana ngayenzani, they actually see it as a side of her introducing herself to Timmy's life, and the next thing umushapaka painti, and then that's it. Haba fedile. And it's going to be history, and then Tim, when he becomes to his senses, he will just realize or probably he's married, knowing Tiny the way she operates. Okay, on the other hand, there is a new internship in town. Ukaise has been given an opportunity internship, and this looks like it's got some boma favors nyana here and there, because she was now sent to go and do the receptionist part of, which is good because she is nailing it. But ungathi uma wakhe unokuba nobujealous nyana ukuthi angimboni unkayise. And very soon she's going to go to varsity, and then now ngathi bamphuca yena, and then kunalowo resentment nyana kancane, which is like I could understand, but I feel like allow her to spread her wings, because uma wakhe bengafuni ukuthi aphume aye varsity. I think she just wanted to ukuthi ambambe abe ngowakhe, I think forever. And which does not make sense. Speaking of things that does not make sense, yaze yaphuka inhliziyo kaSakhile, babo, yaphuka inhliziyo kaSakhile, and then wahamba waye ebhareni lapho mahleli manje bese bambuza ukuthi kwenzakaleni, because ku community WhatsApp group kuyakhulunywa lapho ukuthi uJackson uwinile. How did that even happen? Usakile was so in so much pain, so much disbelief, so much disappointment, to a point that he could not even explain. And then Besega Tigena, Lalela, I'm here so that I forget about all of these things, which means that I don't even want to talk about it. I'm trying to come here so that I can forget and explain. Shem, I felt so bad for him. I really did. And I'm like, I wish this thing went his way, because isamazi sonke uSakhile guys, yo, the way nami ndavele ndaba heartbroken ngakhona, it's like it's like uSakhile umuntu wami. Anywho, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you faithfully coming to this channel and click on the video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.